Okay, so this video cannot be long. One, I ain't got a lot of time. Two, I ain't got a lot of space on my memory card. But I saw this, okay, hold on. Let's address the situation. So I actually just finished washing my hair. No, I did not record it, you guys, because it'd be a lot to try and wash your hair in the bathroom with a camera, blah, 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 blah. I don't know how people do it. I'm sorry, I have not figured out the hack. If someone wants to tell me how they get these shots and all that kind of stuff, because to me, it just fogs up. Like my glass shower just fogs up, and then it's just a waste of my time. And I'm not about to risk my expensive camera getting wet and all that kind of stuff for y'all to see shampoo running down my hair. We know it's probably aesthetically pleasing. We like the vibes of those kind of videos, but I just can't risk it. I ain't got money like that. I actually washed with Isaiah's Cantu, the kids shampoo. I'll put it right here. And then because I don't have no more shampoo, or I thought I didn't have any more shampoo. And then I just used the Adwoa conditioner, the Blue Tansy conditioner, just regular conditioner, not deep conditioner, because I just didn't. I don't know, you guys. My twists have been in since Memorial Day. Now, of course, they are all frizzy, you guys. They're shrunken, they're frizzy, but they're not as thin and stringy anymore because basically all the product is out. I had clip-ins in. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put it right here. So this is why these little twists are undone. So I'm basically just redoing this little front of my hair right here, and then whatever is right on the hairline. That's what I'll be doing today. So before we actually get into my hair, Living Proof actually sent me this huge little box like months ago, you guys. And it's basically their curly coily collection. They really just sent it to me, you guys. I didn't even have to show you, but I'm showing you anyways because I'm gonna use it. And I've never used anything from Living Proof, to be honest. I always thought it was for the girls and the guys with not my hair texture. But anyways, they have shampoo and conditioner. I could have used that, didn't know I had it. And then they also have this curl enhancer. I assume curly and coily hair as well. That's finer. That's looking for more volume. They've got this curl definer. This right here is for coils. This is their curl elongator, and then it's some defining gel and a moisturizing oil. Okay, I'm gonna use this right here, the elongator, I think. Okay, we're just gonna try it, and then I'm gonna use just the oil. Okay, I also have, just so you guys know, actually hold my hair because I got a feeling this product ain't gonna really hold it. I'm looking more so for like moisture. This is my jam right here, the African Pride Braid and Lock Twisting Gel, so I'll be using that as well. Now I'm out of breath for absolutely no reason. Let me get into the reason why I'm making this video. I saw this video on Instagram of this lady who basically was just saying, unpopular opinion, she doesn't care about damaging her natural hair anymore. And I listened to what she said. It was a quick video. And I don't disagree with her at all. Maybe I'll pop it right here so you guys can hear. I don't disagree with what she's saying. I totally understand what she's saying as well because, you know, you guys, we've been through this like up and down with natural hair and the natural hair community, whoever these people are made up of, telling us what we can and can't do. I get what she's saying because you just want to try new styles and you're tired of basically listening to everyone. That's kind of what I got from it. She just sounded like she was just over it and she wanted to just try new things. And I totally understand. That's why I told y'all I've been using a lot more heat lately. I've been blow drying my hair regularly now since like last year, towards the end of last year, just about. And it has helped just my overall wash day process. I love doing it and I feel like it's helped my hair, even though blow drying was like a absolute no. I didn't care. And I really try my best not to push it on my channel, push it on you guys, because I didn't want to be that person basically that was trying to tell y'all what to do. Do what you want. And I feel like this lady who said that, I just feel like she's over it. She's just over it and just wants to try something new. And so I'm curious about how you feel now with your natural hair. So are you still kind of going by those rules of no heat, and you only straighten your hair once or twice a year, even though you may want to do it a lot more? Are you like, what are you doing? Are you no color? Because I remember seeing, like, oh my gosh, they would like hound people about, and I'm saying they as in the natural hair community, whoever they are, they would hound people, say you're no longer natural for coloring their hair. So stupid to me, just so dumb. Some days I am really like looking at that dang relaxer box like, man, I ain't gonna do it. I want to, but I'm not gonna do it, you know? Here's the thing, I used to think I had to have these wash days that were super long, and you know, everyone dreaded wash days and everyone dreaded, you know, anything with natural hair. I used to think so many things because other people put those thoughts in my head. I'm only human, you know, I'm gonna at some point, and also depending on how old you are, I'm gonna pay attention to what other people are saying, and it kind of like gave me this negative opinion about my hair for a while. I just felt like everything was just always so negative. Oh, everything, it takes so long, and why is wash day so long, and yada yada yada, right? Until I just stopped caring. I stopped caring a while ago, and I feel like that is what saved me from going back to you know, relaxing my hair, because at one point I really wanted to put, at one point I was really thinking about texturizing it. Just, oh my gosh, I really was, you guys. And this was like a couple years ago. This was probably right after I had Isaiah, or maybe he was around like 2 or 3 or something like that. And I was struggling already with motherhood, and then struggling, with my natural hair as well. I was just on the struggle bus, period. And I didn't, you know, I just kept at it. I started just not really paying attention to whatever community and whatever these people were saying. And I just did my own thing. And so anyways, I say all this to say, how do you feel? Are you tired of your hair? Are you, I do understand it can be a lot. It can be a lot if you make your natural hair a lot. That's really how I feel about it. I don't feel like my hair is a lot. I feel like it needs extra care. Yeah, I do feel that way. But I've also made my wash days super relaxing. They don't take up my entire day unless I want them to. There's only so much a deep conditioner can penetrate your strands. You know what I mean? I'm not sleeping in deep conditioner overnight. That's like the worst thing I think you can do. One of them. I'm just not doing the most. My hair needs to be cleansed, it needs to be moisturized, it needs to be sealed, and braided up is the bare minimum, and that's easy to do. I do understand everyone is different. I do understand that what's easy for me is not easy for, you know, someone else to do. I totally get it, which is why I'm curious. Do you not care like if certain styles damage your natural hair? Because I get what she's saying. You put your hair in braids, you could possibly damage your edges. You know, your edges gonna get pulled out. You know, wear weave with a leave out, you gotta constantly, unless it's a kinky curly type of texture, you gotta constantly straighten your leave out. If you're wearing your hair out in its natural state, it's getting tangled. There's always something that's going to damage your hair, so why not just do whatever you want to do? I totally feel that, and I totally agree. But at the same time, she said hair grows back, it'll grow back. And that's the statement that I was like, whoa. I feel like I used to say that a lot as well, until I started to realize and educate myself as well that no, not everyone's hair always grows back. And I think that could be very damaging. Just know that if you take that route of, I'm just gonna do whatever to my hair, more power to you. Like, Tag me in your new hairstyle. I want to see. Basically, all these things that are gonna damage your hair is if you're not doing it right. Protective styles become damaging when you just don't take care of your natural hair, basically. That's the problem. That is the absolute problem with that. But anyways, you guys, but let me know what you guys think. Are you tired of your natural hair journey? Are you enjoying it as well? Are you kind of okay? Just curious what you think about her video. Thank you guys for watching. Let's just sound off down below. All right, you guys, I'm not gonna take too much more of your time. If you haven't watched my recent mini twist video, I will link it down below or put it right here at the top. But I'm just going in section by section and basically just redoing my twists just to make them nice and neat to hold me over for the weekend. I do want to say the Living Proof Curl Cream that I showed you guys in the beginning was awesome. Oh my goodness, I was so freaking shocked on how like hydrated, moisturized my hair was, and it smelled really good too, you guys. I was like, wait a second, wait a minute. So I just want to put that out there. Like I said, my first time ever using any Living Proof products, and I didn't have to show you guys. I don't even have to say anything about them, but I was just like, if you are looking for something new, which you guys know I'm always looking to try new things, try new products, maybe pick this up. I will go ahead and say give this a try, in the oil as well. I really love both of those products. So just going in section by section, just going to twist, not do any braids in the front because I'm not keeping these in past like another week. I'll probably take them out. So I'm just gonna do some mini twists right in the front, and then the section in the middle, I did have smaller twists right in the middle of my head, but if you keep watching, you'll see that I just made them like 3 or 4. I can't remember. I think I did three big twists. So after I finished all of my twists in the front, you guys, I just took that same Living Proof cream and really drenched the rest of my twist in it, because my hair was really dry at this point. I was sick. I wasn't doing my hair. I've been lazy. So I really made sure I tried my best to get every strand a little bit of love, and then I proceeded to use the oil on top of that, and then I sporadically used a little bit of the, which I'm not at that point yet, but you'll see it further down this video, but then I sporadically used a little bit of the African Pride Twist and Lock Gel. I just kind of rubbed it in my hands and just kind of lightly put it through the rest of my twist in the back of my head to try and reduce that frizz. Like I said, I'm not too concerned with how they look right now because, one, I'll be wearing a wig for this weekend, and then when I'm not, I'm just gonna throw it up in a bun or a ponytail, so you won't even see that it's like that, you know, not the neatest, so it's not that big a deal. And then other than that, just applied a little bit of foam, blow dried my hair down, and put it in 2 flat twists, and I was set to go. And so yeah, that's basically it on how I just refresh my little minis and how this style will just take me over into the next week, and then I'll take them down and hopefully show you guys a new wash day video with some new products. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and if you have any questions, comments down below in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.